Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BitLocker drive encryption on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To install BitLocker drive encryption on Windows 11, start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Control Panel and press Enter to open it. In the Control Panel, click on System and Security. Next, select BitLocker drive encryption. Now, locate the drive you wish to encrypt and click on Turn on BitLocker. Choose how you want to unlock the drive. You can select either a password or a smart card. If you choose a password, enter a strong password and confirm it. Click Next to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to choose how to back up your recovery key. You can save it to your Microsoft account, save it to a USB drive, or print it. Select your preferred option and follow the prompts to back it up. After backing up your recovery key, click Next. Now, select whether you want to encrypt the entire drive or just the used space. For a new drive, it's generally fine to encrypt the used space. Click Next to continue. You'll then see the encryption mode options. Choose compatible mode for drives that you may use on older versions of Windows. Click Next to proceed. Review your selections on the confirmation screen. Once everything looks correct, click on Start Encrypting. The encryption process may take some time, depending on the size of the drive. You can continue using your computer while BitLocker encrypts the drive. When the encryption process is complete, you will receive a notification. Your drive is now encrypted with BitLocker for added security. Remember to keep your recovery key in a safe place for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.